What if you could launch a fully operational digital agency without building everything from scratch, hiring a huge team, or spending months stuck in setup mode wondering why nothing is moving? That's the attention ClientForce DFY Agency Empire setup, Split Pay, is starting to attract online. This system is designed for people who want to step into the booming AI agency world with ready-made tools, automated systems, and done-for-you business assets that can help land clients faster. And right now, speed matters more than ever. Businesses are scrambling to keep up with AI, automation, lead generation, and content demands. Most owners know they're falling behind. They just don't know where to start. That's where this offer becomes interesting. Instead of forcing beginners to build complicated systems from zero, ClientForce DFY Agency Empire setup, Split Pay aims to remove the heavy lifting. We're talking about agency-style services, automation tools, client acquisition systems, and business resources packaged into one setup designed to help users start offering high-demand services quickly. But there's another detail catching attention. The split pay option lowers the barrier for people who want access without dropping a huge upfront payment all at once. In today's economy, that matters a lot. And here's the reality nobody likes to say out loud. Many talented people never fail because they lack ability. They fail because they stay trapped in planning mode while faster movers grab the opportunity first. The online business world is shifting toward automation, AI workflows, and scalable client services. The question is no longer whether this market is growing. The real question is who positions themselves early enough to benefit from it before the crowd floods in.